Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? I hope you guys had a very good night. Um, Welcome to my live Forex trading today, New York session. And as you guys are opening on, let me know where you guys are watching me from. Down below in the comment section, let me know where you guys are watching me from. And make sure you guys like this video, smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Yeah, so I hope you guys had a very good night. Let's see what page we are. So what pairs are you guys looking at? What pairs are you guys looking at today? Just give me a second, guys. Uh, yeah, so let me know where you guys are watching me from as you guys are hopping on. Let's see what we have here. Okay. So far, like what I'm saying with GBP USD, um, we'll be getting in on this buy. So, mhm. Um, See what it looks like on the higher time frame. Yeah. Looking at GBP USD right now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that if we do have a break above we have a break above this zone here, then our potential next zone is going to be this zone right over here, and we also have zone right here. Looking at the 4-hour time frame right here, so just mark this right now on the 4-hour time frame. Um, Then we can go back to the lower time frame, in this case, the 15-minute time frame. So I'm going to be getting in on this. So that's it for about 25 pips right there. As you guys are open now, let me know what pairs you guys are actually looking at. So we just got in this GBP USD trade. Right. So we just had a first trade, first trade of the day, which is GBP USD. Right. So let's see what other pairs we're looking at. So we have we have Euro USD right now um, trying to break resistance. Now, if we go to the higher time frame, you can see that that's what price is trying to do right now on the higher time frame. Price is trying to break this resistance zone right here, and if we can have a break, then we can see price potentially um, get into this zone over here, and potentially also if we have another break here, we can see price potentially get into this next zone over there as well. So, and then we also have a zone right over here. You can hear at the 4 hour time frame. So that's what we're actually looking at right here. So we'll see how your USD plays out. And also let me know what page excuse me guys, let me know what page you guys want me to look at. So let's take a look at USD CAD. All right, we have Euro USD trying to break this support zone over here. So if we do have a break below support, then we could see price potentially coming to this zone over here. That's we're looking at 220, 1.22054 right over here. You see price break this zone and then potentially also back to this zone as well if we have a break below support. But with USD CAD, we definitely um, in a downtrend. That's what we're looking at as far as USD CAD goes. So just got some adjustment to make here real quick. Okay, and then we got this one right here. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. Right, let's go back to the lower time frame. Looking at USD JPY, if we go here to the 4 hour time frame, we can see that we just had a rejection right here at the right here at the resistance zone. So we'll see how USD JPY. We'll see how this pair plays out. But we just had a rejection right here at this resistance zone. You can see we had a resistance zone over here, so we just had a rejection. Price, couldn't break above resistance, so we might potentially see price coming down or price, continue going bullish. But we'll see how this trade goes. I actually I actually got in this trade called JPY um, during London session, um, and I sent the signal out to also, and we actually got about I believe 25 pips off of that trade. I got 25 pips. So, but looking at JPY now, um, if we do have looking here at the 15-minute time frame as well. So if we do have a break up above this resistance zone, then we could see price potentially getting all the way to this zone. And we're going to be looking at about, that's about 50 pips. So um, we'll see how that plays out. But right now, price is just trying to break uh, this previous resistance zone, turn support zone. So, but we'll see how that plays out. But so far, JPY was a good trade for London session. Yeah. Let's see if we can get in this again for during New York session. We'll see how it plays out. Right. So looking at this is NZD USD. So we have a break above this resistance, previous resistance zone. We'll be looking at getting in for a buy, and we're going to see price continue going bullish. And we got ourselves a little nice uptrend to the upside right there. Well, NZD-JPY is also currently absolutely in the uptrend. That's what we're looking at for NZD-JPY. Let's take a look at AUD-USD as well. See what we're looking at. Yeah. So AUD-USD. So AUD-USD, AUD-USD. also buy right here. All right. What pairs are you guys actually looking at? ahead and do some markups on gold real quick. Do some quick markups on gold. Just bear with me, guys. I'm actually just doing some quick markups on gold, and I'm actually done. I'm actually done trading for the day. Got in the pairs that I need to get into, and I also sent what I need to send to the group as well. So if you guys are in the group, for those of you watching me live on YouTube, you can get in. And also, for those of you that's probably going to be watching the replay, if you want access to my signals, the links is down below in the description. So, let's look for all right, now let's see what this is looking like on the lower time frame. All right, so gold is currently in consolidation. There's really nothing going on with gold based on the higher time frame. But looking at gold here on the lower time frame, in this case the 15-minute time frame, for potential buys, we definitely need price to be above this zone, and for potential sales, we definitely need price to be below this zone, and then we can safely scalp gold as well, because I believe in waiting for the market to start trending, even if you're scalping. And I just don't get in trades. Even when I'm scalping, I still like to follow the trend, because the trend is always going to be your friend no matter what. All right, Kieran, AUD cap. All right, I get you, Kieran. So just give me a second. See, let's see what AUD CAD is looking like. This is definitely one of the pairs I don't trade, because I don't like the way it moves. So we're going to start from the 4-hour time frame, just for us to see the overall direction of the market. So we can see that we got a support here that market is actually trying to break right now. Price is trying to break that support zone right there, and we got resistance right here. Got resistance right there. So Kieran, AUD CAD is actually looking like a down trade, looking like a sell. But before I get in, in the sell, even if you're gonna scalp this, I'll wait for price to break this zone over here, which is I'll wait for price to break below 0.92826, and then you can get in for a sell. And let's see what other zone do we have here. Looking at this towards the left hand side. Uh, so we can see that we also have this zone over here to the left hand side. So looking at AUD CAD, if we have a break below this zone that I told you earlier, then you'll be looking at about 35 pips on AUD CAD potentially. But AUD CAD is currently on the downtrend. That's what I'm looking at. And then if we go down to the lower time frame, we're currently on the downtrend, but here on the lower time frame, we can see that price is actually consolidating, meaning if price should break above this 0.93111, then we'll be looking at buys. But if we break below this below support, we'll be looking at sells. But looking at the higher time frame, we are on the downtrend because we also above the 50 EMA, so we on a downtrend. Price is just consolidating at this support zone right now. So that's what we're looking at. But, but when you get to the higher time frame here, you can see everything more clearly. We can see obviously we in consolidation. Price is just currently ranging here. So get in for buys if price breaks above resistance, and we can get in for sales if price breaks below support. I hope that helps you, Kieran. So looking at NAS 100 here, absolutely, we absolutely in an uptrend. For those of you that trade NAS 100, I trade NAS 100 as well, but we've not been trading it during this challenge. We just had a break above resistance. Looking at NAS 100 over here. So we'll see. We actually still have GBP, JPY. We actually still have this trade running here. We had somewhere here. And we're gonna take profit right there. So, and also, I hope you guys actually move your stop loss to entry price already, and you took partial profits. We currently have this trade running. Oh, I'm good. I'm good, Schumann. Good morning. How are you? How are you? Oh yeah, I absolutely did. Thank you. You're welcome, Schumann. All right, give me a second, guys. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, guys. Back. So we got GBP JPY in profit. We got GBP USD currently in profit as well. We have GBP USD in profit for 10 pips. So if you took this trade, you can go ahead and get out the trade if you want to for 10 pips, or you can just take partial profit and let the trade keep running and just move your stop. You can actually move your stop loss to this zone right here, 1.39652. We're still in a drawdown for uh, AUD USD currently, but majority of the time, GBP USD is going up. AUD USD definitely should be going up as well. Now, using that, it doesn't happen 100% of the time, but majority of the time it definitely happens. I would say about 70 to 80%. So if GBP USD is going up, AUD USD should be going up as well, and also Euro USD should be going up as well. But currently, um, is actually in an uptrend right now, Euro USD, but is currently stuck here at the resistance zone. Here, looking at a Euro USD is just trying to break resistance now. But if we do have a break, then we'll be in a buy trade for Euro USD. So that's what you guys should be looking out for if you're looking to scalp Euro USD. Just wait until we have a break above this resistance zone here. Um, then you can get in for a buy looking at Euro USD here. All these zones were actually marked on the higher time frame, in this case on the 4-hour time frame. Hey, I'm good, Cycle Forex Trading. How are you doing? So, um, Schumann says, can we still get in GBP JPY? No, because right now GBP JPY is actually consolidating. As you guys can see here on the 15-minute time frame. So if you want to get in on GBP JPY, you're going to have to wait and see for price to break the next resistance zone, and then you can get in for price to continue going bullish. But right now, we're in consolidation. So now you don't have, this is not a good time to get in. You're not going to have a good entry right now. So you're just going to have to wait for that to happen. As you guys can see here, looking at it on the 4 hour time frame. We go to the 1 hour time frame here. Um, that's the same thing we're looking at. It's currently ranging. Let's see what other zone we have here. Um, let's see. All right. Just marking that resistance zone right there at the top. That's another zone right there that price could actually potentially get to. Price continues going bullish. Um, XAU USD, can we buy? Let's see. Let's take a look at gold. I believe I talked about gold earlier. No, no, you can't. You can't get in on gold, not yet. Gold is not trending. If you're getting on gold right now, you're just guessing. We go to the higher time frame. Here, you can see, look at this zone over here. Gold is not doing anything. It's consolidating between resistance and support. So if you get in now, you're just guessing. You're just guessing, okay, I think price is going to go up. I think price is going to come down. So you don't know, but according to this right now, although gold is still on a downtrend, looking at this on the higher time frame, but we really don't know what direction gold is going to head towards. We don't know the direction gold is going, or we know that, okay, we can see that gold is still in a downtrend, but we don't know if we can get in it for a buy or if we can get in it for a sell, especially if you're trying to scalp this, because you can see here on the higher time frame, we clearly have multiple multiple touches here. So this is our resistance zone, and we also have the touch right over here. So we have a resistance zone here, and then we have a support zone here looking at gold. So we know, so prices in between resistance and support, when you see that, it just simply means price is ranging or price is consolidating. So when price is consolidating like this, price could either go up or it could either come down. So we don't know what's going on right now. We just got to wait and see what gold is going to do. It's not doing anything right now. So you can't get in on gold right now. That's my own analysis and my own opinion, you know. But you guys can do whatever you want to do. But for me, gold is a no trade zone right now. I hope that helps you, Kieran. Oh, and but looking at gold here on the 15-minute time frame, I kind of have, I kind of know where gold is, heading towards, but at the same time, I might be wrong. But looking at it on the lower time frame here, in this case, the 15-minute time frame, is looking like gold might potentially uh, buy, but at the same time, I might be wrong. So at the moment, it's currently in a no trade zone. So you just got to wait and uh, wait for the best entry possible. So USD JPY, it's like it's actually gonna sell, but we'll see how it goes. The fact that we have this rejection here at resistance, that just simply means we'll, USD JPY will be coming down. So if you want to get in on USD JPY, just need price to be above this, right here above like 110.761. Then you can sell this to this net zone over here, and you'll be looking at about 37 pips right there. But if you want to get in this in the lower time frame, you just once we have a break, wait for a retest, and then you can sell this up onto this zone here. You're welcome, Kieran. So we currently in this trade as well, GBP USD. We just in it to get just, 25 pips. That's the goal for GBP USD, and then we'll be done for today. So we got GBP JPY running, GBP USD running, and then we got AUD USD running. Currently, we're in a drawdown for AUD USD, but I'm pretty positive that we're going to be in profit soon enough. So my king, you don't use trend lines at all. I do once in a while, but my strategy is not based off trend lines. I mean, just because you don't see it on my chart right now doesn't mean I don't use it at all. So I use it sometimes. Let's take a look at USD CHF. Let's take a look at USD CHF. All right, let's take a look at this on the higher time frame here. All right, we got resistance and support over there. So, So looking at USD CHF here, this is on the higher time frame. Uh, and here on the lower time frame, USD CHF is currently coming down. But if you want to get in on this trade, USD CHF, once we break below this, then we have to wait for price to break below this zone here on the 15-minute time frame, and we can get in for a sell for price to continue moving bearish, potentially up until this zone over here. So that's what I'm looking at for USD CHF. And today, for whatever reason, there's actually low volatility today in the markets. We have very low volatility today. All right, guys. That's it today. That's it today for me. Uh, so far, all the trades we took, including London session and for New York session, everything we got our take profit smashed. So we're just waiting on for New York session now. We're waiting on GBP JPY about to hit take profit. Uh, Profit is already secured, and I hope you guys do the same thing on GBP JPY. So we're just waiting now for it to for take profit to be smashed on GBP JPY. Currently, GBP USD is running 13 pips. I hope you guys already moved your stop loss and also took a partial profit. GBP USD running 13 pips. So and AUD USD we're still in the negative right now, negative 8 pips. That was also a buy trade. So all the signals was actually, I sent everything to the group. So if you guys were watching me for the first time, if you want access to my signals, you can click the link down below and you guys are going to get access to my signals on Telegram. So guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like this live trading session, please like this video, smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you guys won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video or in my next live trading session. God bless you all. Believe in yourself. Stay strong. I'll see you guys later.